For the refugee innovation programs, in which countries or regions do you have activities?
Which countries or regions do we have activities? So the Innovation Service, we have supported initiatives across the organization. So for example, this past year, we were supporting our Syria operation a lot. From not only giving them training on innovation, but also different projects such as rubble recycling and trying to understand how we can support innovative methods to community management of solar lights. We have a very heavy presence in the Horn of Africa that our colleagues often spend 2 to 3 months out supporting field operations. So for example, during the emergencies in Uganda and also with the European refugee crisis, we had people from our innovation team who were sent on emergency missions specifically to support innovation initiatives in emergencies. So we have no specific regional focus, I would say, but we support innovation across the entirety of the organization. Most recently, our colleagues were heavily involved in our operation in Nigeria, where they spent about a month working with colleagues there to support some specific challenges. But this is all very demand-based. Like, we call ourselves a service, so we're here to serve our colleagues and refugee communities. So usually the project support comes specifically through requests. We have a very specific sort of like funnel that we go through when it comes to deciding on whether we're going to invest in team capacity, resource capacity, in trying to help our colleagues solve specific challenges. But it really is dependent on what the challenge is and whether we're the right people to go in there and solve it. But we also support a lot of work at our headquarters. For example, right now we're in the process of developing an AI solution that is looking at how we can actually better filter all of the applications that come through our HR recruitment system. So instead of people manually trying to sort, how can we actually use machine learning to get through the system much faster so people are able to spend more time on the more critical parts of their job? So when it comes to regional focus, we definitely don't have one, but I would say the work that we do regionally most would be in the Horn of Africa because we have an office in Nairobi.